Meaning of high heels.
High heels.
High heels.
High heels.
High heels. High heels are a type of shoe with a tall, slender heel that elevates the wearer's foot significantly higher than their toes. They are typically worn by women as a fashion statement or to enhance their posture and height. The height of the heel can vary, but typically ranges from 3 to 6 inches. Wearing high heels can make a person appear taller, more confident, and improve their overall appearance. However, prolonged wear can lead to discomfort or pain in the feet, legs, and back, and can cause long-term health issues such as bunions and hammer toes.